probably wondering where I am right now, but don't worry, I'll get to that. So I've had this camera for months now, but for some reason I never really took the time out to go and do a proper photo shoot. But I wanted that to change. So I went out to a local park with the intention of capturing as many moments as possible. No strict guidelines, no expectations set, just me and my camera. But with that being said, please enjoy the rest of the video. Oh my gosh, there's a duck over to the left. I don't know, maybe you can see, but I think you can see the duck from even better from this side. I don't know if... hold on. There we are. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me try to get a photo of that. The duck made me work for that photo, although I think that might be one of my favorite photos so far. For this whole pond, I think I'm gonna just try to get like a wide shot of the whole pond, because I don't know. There are some ducks down the path. I'm gonna have to go really quietly so let's scare them off. Hopefully they're still there. Oh, they are! Why are they so still? Or maybe there's a path there, there's a path there, there's a path there. If I put the tripod literally in the water, I could still maybe get a nice photo. There's like something over there that that might be a nice photo. I have no idea what it is. It looked like someone built something out of like wooden planks. This is so random. What the hell is this? A photo is a photo. before we do go, there are some nice lavenders down here actually. I managed to find this nice small area, which is, I don't know, it just looks quite aesthetically pleasing. I think that's probably going to be my last stop, but hopefully I can get some nice photos here. See where that tree is? These branches. It's raining a bunch, so they might have some. They're gonna have some raindrops on them. I'm hoping to get a nice photo of these. I guess let's see what I can get in this area. Okay, here, just there. This branch right there. There's a really nice tree over there with all these leaves on. I think I can get something cool from here. Maybe one pointing to the sky. I kind of want to try that, a photo pointing to the sky. I'm gonna try to get a wider shot of a lot of the trees. This branch has some nice texture on it and some nice colour, so let's see if I can get one of these. I've literally, I didn't get on video, but I have the photo. I used this massive tree as a frame. Perfectly timed. There was someone walking right through, just here, literally just here. I used these two branches as a frame. I was a guy walking right through. Oh, it was great. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video off there. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed coming out today into nature, taking a bunch of photos and vlogging the whole process. Hopefully it's something I could do again in the near future. Maybe next time I'll even be able to go into public to get some nice street photography. Either way, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.